Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome to a journey that could change your life forever. Are you ready to transform your health and shed those pounds quickly? If so, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of keto and start your journey to a healthier, fitter you. The keto diet has been a game changer for many, and it could be for you too. So, what is the keto diet? You might have heard about it from friends or seen it on social media. Simply put, it's a high-fat, low-carb eating plan that puts your body into a state of ketosis. This metabolic state is where the magic happens. In ketosis, your body switches from burning carbs for energy to burning fat. Sounds cool, right? This means you're turning your body into a fat-burning machine. Now let's talk about what you can actually eat on keto. The variety might surprise you. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. These foods are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Leafy greens, cheese, eggs, and meat are also your best friends here. They provide essential vitamins and minerals while keeping you in ketosis. And don't forget those healthy oils like olive and coconut. These oils are great for cooking and adding flavor to your meals. But here's the trick. Staying in ketosis is key. It's not just about what you eat, but how you manage your diet. Keep those carbs super low, ideally under 20 grams a day. This might seem challenging at first, but it gets easier with practice. And load up on fats to keep you full and energized. Fats are your primary fuel source on keto, so embrace them. Drinking plenty of water and staying active can help too. Hydration is crucial, especially when your body is adjusting to a new diet. Okay, now for some proven tips to help you stay in ketosis and burn that fat. Tip 1. Meal prep. Planning your meals in advance can make a huge difference. Plan your meals so you're not tempted by high-carb snacks. Having healthy options readily available can keep you on track. Tip 2. Monitor your ketone levels. This can give you a clear picture of how well you're doing. There are easy-to-use test scripts available that can help you track your progress. Seeing those positive results can be incredibly motivating. And tip 3. Stay patient. Patience is key in any diet, especially when your body is adapting to a new way of eating. It might take a few days to get into ketosis, but stick with it. Consistency is crucial for long-term success. Let's talk about common mistakes. Avoiding these can save you a lot of frustration. One big one is not getting enough electrolytes. Electrolytes are essential for maintaining balance in your body. When you cut carbs, your body loses more sodium, so make sure you're getting enough salt. This can help prevent the dreaded keto flu. Another mistake? Not eating enough fat. Remember, fat is your primary fuel source on keto. Embrace it and make it a staple in your diet. And finally, watch out for hidden carbs and sauces and dressings. These can sneak up on you and kick you out of ketosis. Need some motivation? Just listen to these success stories from people who've transformed their lives with keto. Their journeys can inspire you to stay committed. Many have lost significant weight, gained more energy, and even improved their mental clarity. The benefits go beyond just physical appearance. You can do it too. With dedication and the right approach, you can achieve your health goals. So, are you ready to start your keto journey? Don't wait. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Check out the recommended keto products and meal plans below to help you get started. These resources can make your journey smoother. Remember, the journey to a healthier you begins with one simple step. Take that step today and commit to a better you. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's make this transformation together. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. Stay healthy and stay keto. Your journey is just beginning, and we're here to support you every step of the way. See you next time. Keep pushing forward and never give up on your health goals.